The Village of Beverly has been working with the Ohio Department of Transportation and the Washington County Sheriff's Office to ensure safe roads in the town. The mayor of Beverly, Jim Ullman, says village officials met before the snowstorm to make sure they had everything covered if they had emergencies come up. Since they are a small village, Ullman says it's hard to provide the resources for the town for an around-the-clock basis without outside support. Ullman thanks all the officials in the county for helping the town get through the winter weather.
Well, again, ODOT has been a big help with us. The Sheriff's Department covering the hours that we're not covering, and then mostly our village crew that worked in this very inclement weather.
Ullman adds the strategy of waiting until all the snow fell led to roads being cleared a lot better than previous years.